Open up my eyes and let me see you in a different way. I'm used to seeing you as what they say, not what I have seen. Lord, I need your help. I am weary now. Can you stretch your arms? Will you heal my soul? Hey, oh, I am weary now. Will you stretch your arms and will you heal my soul? Will you teach my heart how to let go like you did on earth? Forgiveness, yes, is key to seeing you, so crafted right in me. Are there things in me that do not look like what you have called me? Hey, Jesus, to you I have come to plead. Please take them out of me. Lord, I need your help, 'cause I am weary now. Can you stretch your